We're going to look at Thomas Cook. They've got pre-close trading update on Tuesday. It's been a bit of a rocky period, to say the least.
Yeah. For a brief moment there, Thomas Cook looked like it was on to a pretty decent year. I think it hit a 3-year intraday peak of £1.50 back in mid-May. Since then, it's sort of gone horribly wrong. It's now trading at below 75p. That's horrendous. It's down like 38% since the start of the year. Main issue back in July was the heat wave. That's sort of convincing European holiday makers to stay at home instead of going to locations like Spain and Turkey. Basically, why would you spend the money on those holidays when you could stay at home and enjoy the sun, which is similar heat there. Beyond that, revenue was actually pretty strong. I think it was up 10% to £2.5 billion, which is a very healthy figure. However, like I said, the sort of staycations of its normal European holidaymaker base had a serious impact on its gross margins, which I think was down 240 basis points to 17.9%, and then its gross profit, which was down 3% to £443 million. I think in terms of its pre-close statement on Tuesday, investors will ideally be looking for some kind of better than expected performance in August, say. The late holiday, I think it booked like 79% of its summer holidays this summer. Any kind of filling of that 21% gap in August, which I think was looking a bit rocky back in July when Thomas Cook last updated, I think will be welcomed by investors and clients alike. I think in terms of Spreadix clients, they are buying at those 75p mark. I think, it has fallen so sharply in the last few months that you're always going to get a few vultures looking for it to have hit its bottom.
Yep.
However, I will say they're not in the kind of numbers you'd expect for a stock that's fallen so sharply. I think there's still a lot of hesitancy around Thomas Cook and what could be a tough update on Tuesday, given that the summer weather leaked into August and likely would have put a fair amount of people off from actually booking a late holiday at all this year.
Okay, interesting. Thanks, Connor.